Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the theme on the Flip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button at the lower right corner of the screen and go to the Settings icon at the upper right corner, and here click to the first options, the theme, and here you can select different theme: purple, pink, indie pink, blue, and other colors, and just if you select one, just click to the apply button at the lower side of the screen and click to the apply and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.